Hello, this is Peter back with another video. I thought, it's a nice windy day, 50 mph gusts, so I thought I'll try it, see how it does. So I thought I'll have a quick fly over Stoke, and there's a place over there called the Villas, which is some old Victorian mansions, so I thought I'll fly over them. As you can see, the wind's not pushing it too bad at the moment, but I'd already been flying now for about 10 minutes, but I didn't want to put an extra long video on because it'd be boring. So my battery's probably now on about 30% left now. So I thought I'll try return to home. But return to home decided not to work. Either the wind was too strong to push it, I don't know, because I'm new with this drone thing, but it wasn't having none of it. It was trying by the looks of it to get back, but it wasn't moving for nothing. It looks like it's moving to the side a little bit. I'm just glad I got DJI device care, just in case it had got lost. So there it is now, I think it's trying to push back home. But it doesn't look like it's moving for anything. That's the last time I fly in them kind of gusts of wind. I ain't doing that again. But look, it's trying to go forward, but it's pushing it backwards. Yeah, I think it's flying the wrong way. But only the minute it decides to land. I didn't record the landing footage because I thought, if I turn the recording off, it might last a little bit longer for me to try and get it home, or at least control where it landed. It landed on the road. So you never see me move so fast or straight out the door. What I was thinking of is basically it's gonna, get run over or something by a car, because it literally landed in the road. Luckily it landed at the side of the road. But where it landed is the bottom right hand side of the screen right now. It landed on that little road there, where the two red cars are. And I was just walking to collect it, like, oh damn, I hope it hadn't been smashed or run over or something, because I know you can get it insured, it's insured and everything, but you're still waiting to collect it, or waiting for it to get sent back. It's starting to go down now, I think. But no. Anyway, please like and subscribe. Oh, look, it's in one piece. Oh, is there damage? No, thank God for that. Oh, thank God.